What's up, guys? It's Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Team Corrali Kagama and Arrma Kraton RTR EXB. So what I'm doing the second half of my comparison. The first time I did these cars, the Kagama didn't hold up because who knows why, but it didn't hold up. This time I'm gonna give it a second shot. I'm up here at my normal bash spot. I'm up here, gonna give it a shot. Trying out my new gimbal. And y'all notice I keep not staying focused, but I'm gonna try out my new gimbal with the stabilizer on there. Wife came up with this idea. I didn't even know what a gimbal was with a stabilizer. Now, hopefully this helps out my video quality and keeping the camera more steady. But let's get into it. First up is the Kagama. Oh. Still wet out here. I gotta remember to move my whole hand. The handle ain't bad though. And it's still wet down there. Boop. I had to I got a review coming up. I don't know why it sounds like that now. Whoa, these tires got a little squirrely there for a second. And this gimbal helps me keep centered a lot better. Give my wife a major shout out for that. I ain't got no problem giving credit where credit is due. I can give you a props. Yeah, this thing needs a wheelie bar for the 20th time. So many rocks. I don't know if it's the rocks or the diff clicking. Is it rocks hitting my chassis clicking or the diff? Alright, let me see. I noticed that gear in there is a little wet. This is ridiculous. Like, what's going on? Oh my God. Kagama, you are not starting off too well with me, man. Yo, listen. People say this is competition for the Kraton. Not at all. Not at all. I mean, I bought this used, but it was not that used. Jesus Christ. Now I'm gonna pull out the Kraton 6S. You know, I'm really kind of pissed off right now. Yeah, I got water in the tire. That's why I'm doing that little stutter right there. And I only got it on 75%. Let's boost this bad boy up there. Yeah, I don't know what to say about the Kagama right now. I'm gonna just keep my comments to myself. So I'm a little pissed off. Very angry. And I don't think it's the car itself. I think what I'm thinking is a used vehicle, while you should most of the time buy brand new when it's a reliable person. Like, if they're reliable, I say buy brand. Unless they're reliable, I say buy brand new. Yo. This thing is a beast. I mean, I love the Kryon. Not complaining at all. Let's see if I can get a nice close up on that wheel. Never getting bored, loves the blood and gore. Always wanting more freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the fuck apart. If you start shit, you be heartless. And the darkness, quick, you let scars rip, you be chewed up and discarded.
Outstanding.
You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's
this thing is a monster.
when I'm
Am I keeping this in frame? I don't know, I got no complaints about the Kraton. This thing is a monster.
Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened.
Let's see if I can get some jumps off. Cause Kraton is gonna make me happy again, so.
Final round.
Yeah, the thing is, the diff housing was loose. It wasn't the car fault. I did change the grease in there. Yeah, she's fine. Dang, it ripped the post out. Hey. Yeah, it ripped the post. Yeah, I better put something under that body.
Got a monster inside of me. You better watch out if your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day with the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and the goes mean. He gets caught real big, gets off quick, and if you cross him, you might drop dead. Of course, settling the sword, never getting bored. Loves the blood and gore, always wanting more. Freedom from these swords, they don't really understand until they feel the blood of hearted. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars quick to be chewed up and discarded.
Yo, this thing a beast though. Once I worked out the kinks that it.
When I'm desperate. I can feel my heart rate, adrenaline pressure. It's stormy weather, lightning, thunder, pouring weather. I'm a go-getter, gotta do it like me, but I do it better. I got a mind that's clever, the beast inside is competitive as ever. I'm conscious, my subconscious, an accomplice to me. I promise the darkness, I can honest believe. But don't cross me, I might lose control of the lost beast. He's locked away inside with the key control by fight or flight. It ain't right, won't accept it. Negative.
Perfect.
Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. Fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm fighting. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. 'Cause when
Yeah, this thing is a beast. Yeah, that I broke the shock cap on there. Now on the Kraton, what I broke was the rear arm from that bad crash. This thing is a pure beast. Seems like it's a little smidge faster than the Kagama.
Inside of me, you better watch out if your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows mean. He gets claws real big, pissed off quick, and if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the sword, never getting bored. Loves the blood and gore, always wanting more. Freedom from the source, they don't really understand until they feel it departed. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped, you'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. Fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. 'Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
Just think I'm gonna really fired up.
broke something. Perfect.
All right, I'm back from the bash now. I'm gonna give you my ratings on the Kraton and the Kagama. We're gonna start off with the Kraton. Kraton today gets the 9.8. The reason being because the durability is not there all the way. The arms is a weak point on the car. Another weak point on the car is the drive cups. That's another weak point. That's why I give it that 9.5. But as for power delivery and suspension, all that awesome jumping, I give it a 9.8. It's an awesome rig. Now for the Team Kagama. This car gets a 9.5. Reason being is because same thing. It's not as durable to me as everybody says. It is durable, but not like how they say. It's not that durable. Electronics are off the charts. Servo, I never had a problem with Team Kagama systems. So, you know, this is a good rig to have. I mean, it's a beast. It's a monster. I had problems with mine at first because it was used and abused. That's why I'm a strong believer in basically buy your RCs new, because when you get them used, you don't know what, even if the person wasn't really abusive with it, most of the time people tune it the way they want it to, and it might not be the way you drive. They might have switched something out, or might have, you know, not your driving stat. I'd rather get me a brand new RC car so I can tune it the way I drive. Either drop the shocks lower, loosen the shocks up, droop screws, all that, gears, everything. But yeah, this gets a 9.5. It's an awesome rig. But in the comments below, tell me what you think. Which one would you prefer, the Kraton or the Kagama? I'm sorry to tell y'all, I'm Team Kraton all day. All day. Nothing's wrong with the Kagama, but it is what it is. But as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.
Watch out if your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me, and he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score, never getting bored, loves the blood and gore.